Heidi ho, Arkansas Pilgrim here with another little garden update. Hey, for the small amount of you that follow me, you noticed a while back that I actually did have something being produced in my garden. This is my Cayenne pepper plant. And hey, here I harvested a bunch of these. And the funny thing about it is, and hey, for those garden gurus out there that are watching, I was going to let them turn red. I figured, hey, I better come out here and harvest these red peppers, and I'll do something with them, even though there's not a lot of them. And then I thought, well, hey, maybe they're okay green too. So I went online and looked it up, and of course you never know what to believe, especially on gardening, as you get 10 different things. But I read somewhere on some site it said, hey, you ought to pick them green and let them turn red, because if you let them turn red, they're too mature. It's some kind of cockamamie thing. Anyway, for those of you out there that do grow cayenne peppers, should I be picking them green and letting them turn red? I mean, that's what I've done here. We'll see how it goes. But what I'm going to do with these, as you see, there's actually still there's a bunch more on there. But I went through and picked the biggest ones, the ones that's starting to get kind of wrinkly and weird looking, I guess, part of it, and maybe starting to turn red, is I'm going to make my own pepper sauce. Because to be honest with you, I don't know what else to do with them, because I thought, hey, growing cayenne peppers, that'll be great. But I didn't think didn't think anything past that. Like, well, what am I actually going to do with these? I mean, I guess I can dry them and grind them up and make, cayenne pepper powder too, but that's kind of boring. Anyway, any pointers out there for making sauce? I would like to make something that's similar to Tapatio. Of course, when it comes to copycat sauces, the recipe that's on the bottle says it adds spices. Not just peppers and vinegar and salt and garlic. I mean, there's that, but there's also some other spices. If anybody has actually made something that's similar to Tapatio, let me know in the comments. I'd appreciate it. Hey, thanks for following along, and God bless y'all, and I'll see you next time.